Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This website that you're seeing was generated using the Canva website creator. You can see it very nice and very fantastic, very detailed. It is about an online course on AI content or AI tools. You can see the details of everything. And the best part of this is that it is available for even the mobile version. You can have access to the mobile version and you can scroll through just like that, just like so. You can have the option to move around and visualize this. So this is completely created using Canva website. So you can do that by coming to canva.com and you can go to the website in here. And the best part is that you can start from template. If you have a specific template that you want to work on, you can kind of select and customize it to your liking, okay? Or you can search directly from this, okay? Or you can describe the ideal design that you want to create. This is going to help you to create that design. So let me say I'm going to create a simple website that is for marketing digital products. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. If you like, you can add some other documents or from Canva, or you can import directly from your computer or from Drive or somewhere else. Okay, from Drive, from Dropbox, or from OneDrive. So you can add them up to give your website a direction. For example, if you have some details about the website that you want to use as a guide to this entire creation, you can be able to use that. So you can see right now your design is ready. You can kind of click to add it if this is what you want, or if you don't like it, you can always regenerate as well. You can edit also, you can change many things. You can hover over all the elements and be able to change them also accordingly. You can see the details of what it has created in terms of the products and some affordable details about the pricing and some contact us page as well, some key details that you can actually work with. If you like this, you can go ahead and preview it. So you can resize on mobile or include navigation menu if you want to include it as well. And you can check the mobile version. Very informative and very detailed. You can go ahead and publish the website. Once you click on publish, you have the option to give it a name or define the URL, but it's going to have this content.mycanva.my.canva.site, and you can use a custom domain if you're interested. You can check out these basic settings. Like in the site, you can add title and favicon. You can add this from here. You can enable search engine visibility, password protection, and other social media link preview. You can enable from here. Let's see, and it's going to add that to your document. Okay, so you can continue to publish, or you can go to the page settings as well. You can generate other details. You can add path, you can generate other descriptions as well if you're interested. Then you can go ahead and publish. Alternatively, you may decide to share your website with anybody so that they can be able to have access to it and continue with the editing and give control, and then copy this and download this, copy or publish view link, or you can present to people or share on any of these social media platforms. Okay, or you can just download it in a zip file and you can use it all elsewhere outside of Canva. So you have the access to lock and unlock and edit the documents as you saw with using any of these basic editing features. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of the Canva website feature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.